In this video, I will be covering the basics of Pronto Meetings. Pronto allows users to share live meetings from their mobile device or web app. Multiple people can broadcast together at once, and hundreds more can observe. All broadcasters can share their screen simultaneously, and observers can always participate using chat messages. When a meeting is being broadcasted, you may receive a notification alert, and a live icon will appear next to the group name in the drawer panel. A meeting notification banner will also appear at the top of the chat panel, allowing you to quickly enter the meeting. Another way to enter the meeting is to use the meeting option located in the upper right corner of the chat panel. Either option will display the meeting start screen. Here, you can choose to either continue observing or join as a broadcaster with any combination of audio, visual, or both. Right now, I'm going to simply observe. After the meeting start screen, you will enter the meeting as an observer, which will display the observer screen. As an observer, you can only participate using the chat panel, but you can still hear, view, and switch between broadcasters by clicking or double tapping on the user's video square. On a mobile device, you can switch to the chat panel by tapping anywhere to display the menu and choosing Chat. In the chat panel, you can enter a message, insert a GIF, photo, or document. And you can even send a reaction to a specific message. You can also see who's participating by switching to the Participants panel, or on a mobile device, tapping on the Participants option. Participants will be divided and listed based on whether they are a broadcaster or just observing. In the web app, you can toggle the full screen option, which will maximize the browser window and hide the menu and toolbars. If more than one person is broadcasting, you can choose the layout of the video tiles, either in a grid or film strip pattern. The record option will allow the meeting to be recorded for later use. The icon will change to let you know the meeting is being recorded, as well as notifying everyone, both broadcasting and observing. Once recorded, you can see a replay button inside the group's chat panel. At any time, an observer can choose to join and become a broadcaster. You will return to the meeting start screen, where you can again choose any combination of audio, visual, or both before joining the meeting. When you do, the option will change to switch to observer, which would return me to the observer screen. In the broadcaster screen, I have the option to enable or disable audio and video. On a mobile device, you can switch between the front camera or the rear. In the web app, I can choose to share screen, which would allow me to share my entire screen, a specific application, or browser tab. A shared screen will then appear as a separate video tile. Although a person can only share one screen, every broadcaster can share their own screen simultaneously. You can click the Stop option to leave screen sharing. I can choose to leave a meeting at any time using the Leave option. If I choose to end for everyone, the meeting will be closed for everyone involved, both broadcasters and observers. If I choose to leave the meeting, only I will be removed, and all broadcasters and observers can still continue. Even if I leave a meeting, the banner and live notifications will still be present, and I can use it to return at any time. And that's all there is for meetings. They can be a super easy way to communicate to individuals or to a large group.